Hello everybody, this is Hani Amiri. Thank you for checking my channel and watching my videos. For someone who watch me for the first time, I'm online entrepreneur since 2015. I have struggled a lot and did a lot, mistakes and quit sometimes. Then I go back to my passion, which is the online business. Today I have some tips for you if you are thinking to start online business. So I hope you like it and please come to visit my channel because I'm gonna upload some interesting things for you if you are thinking to start your online business. As you know, and for sure you are here looking for some actual advice to start your online business, and it is good idea. I encourage you all to start thinking about it, to start to plan for it, because it will take time to build your knowledge. To one day if you acquire these skills and you have already some skills, so you're gonna develop it by the training and by the time. So you will enjoy the laptop lifestyle and good life quality for you and your family. But please don't believe all the stories nowadays for people who are describing this kind of opportunity as pushing the bottom and making millions over the night. No, that's of course taking time and need a lot of work and need to be patient so that you can come to this great opportunity for working and making money online. The first step is if you start thinking about it, so you need to start doing research, online research, watching videos from YouTube or anywhere, asking people for advice or attending events, business shows, seminars, webinars is really good to give you good information about this online business. So the thing is, no one have no skills. You already have skills, so but you need the path to go through your destination by acquiring some skills in addition to yours, and then of course any training will have some good advices to develop your mindset so that you can stick for this business because it is really interesting and you will like it a lot. The search is online. You can search online, and reading books is good. Any good information, you'll find it if you keep searching. And please take your time. Take your time to understand because it is a huge business. It is this industry is not easy to acquire all the information in a short time. It needs time because I told you that I started on 2015 and 2015, 16, and by the mid of 2017 I started to find my good way, the successful way to make money, actual money that time. So there is around 2 years for research or training, for acquiring information, to developing my skills, sticking for that. I mean, like my mindset uh, uh, should fit to work with this online business. This is also I recommend for you the easiest option and the best option for you is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is easy to understand and also easy to set up, and you will not lose a lot of money, especially for like the first steps and all if you take the next step by joining a professional training or course so that you have always all the courses offering one or at least 14 days money back guarantee, so that there is no risk. It's like, for example, anyway, you will get a lot of knowledge and information. Just in case you don't like it or you find it is not for you, so you can quit, you can ask for refund. And I tried many courses. People refund me because I say that I don't like it. This is not for me. Now, you did your research, you feel comfortable, you feel that you understand very well. My honest advice right now, you need not to rush into it. Take it easy. Give yourself time that to make 100% sure that this is for you. You're gonna stick. You're gonna go along the way, because there is a lot of hardness. There is obstacles. There is some difficulties you will find by the time. So make 100% sure that this is for you. So then you go ahead. After you have your final decision, it's good to join a professional training. Buying a course, it's not that big investment. Maybe you'll find some courses around 500 US dollar, or maybe a little bit more, but some courses is good. By the way, I put links for some good courses you can find there. Very honest people and giving you good advice. So this course will develop your skills, will give you the special skills to join this kind of business. Let's say we spoke about affiliate business. Affiliate business, to give you an idea about affiliate business, maybe you're not aware about that. It's you promote or sell other people products. So you join any big company that have products, physical products or digital products or any kind of services. You join them, you register yourself in their affiliate programs. So you promote them, and when you bring for them a buyer or a subscriber or any kind of other service, they will give you a cut, they will give you a commission, and this is you are making money. So this course will give you step-by-step training over the shoulder, how to set up your system. I mean, how to join the tools, how to find the tools, the things that you have, you need to check, you need to acquire the skills. It's developing the skills and also encouraging you or helping you to build your mindset, because there is a lot of good information there, even building a lot of good habits, and making you move in step by step to the laptop lifestyle, to the time of freedom, to live, to have a lot of time with your family and enjoy good quality of life. This is some courses is about month, other courses around 2 months or 6 weeks. So that you will decide later. But keep searching, keep doing, asking question and asking for honest advice for that, and you will decide for it. And I told you it's risk-free, all the courses, because they will give you 14 days or 30 days money back guarantee. So no need to worry about that. Now you have, let's say, the basic skills. You have the knowledge to start this kind of business, which is good. Then you go for some companies to join their affiliate program, and maybe you like the digital products, the physical products, or the services, or anything else. And by the way, all the courses, all these platforms, when you join them and you take the course and you finish it, they offer you, if you would like, to promote their products, their online course. And by this time, you are quite sure if this product or this course or this training is good, when it comes to advise people after you start your journey in promoting this or others products, so that you understand this is good if you want to recommend the people or not. Now, the most important things after you finish the training, you know how to do the work, you have the tools, you have everything to start. This is now it comes to the most important thing, which is to promote the products that you decided it. When you decide to promote this product, so you have two ways to promote this one. The free one, which is like the YouTube ads, the YouTube channel or Facebook account, page or account, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media, Pinterest, things like this. So you can promote your product here, recommending to people, helping people, like giving values to people, so that they will come to join, or maybe by the end they will buy from you. The other thing, not the free, is the paid ads. So you can set up Google ad account, or ads on YouTube or on Facebook or other platforms. You buy clicks from solo ads, or some other platform which offering you to drive for you traffic. This is, you will understand later. I don't like to make you worry about this next step, but it will be easy for you to go, especially if someone have skills to, like for example, to work on his YouTube channel. Maybe you have your own personal channel, it's okay, really good, but you can do one to promote this kind of business, like for example uploading videos daily, 3 times a week or once a week, giving values, giving free information to people, helping people, like for example in any aspect of life that will make people happy, and maybe will come to check what you are promoting, what you have for them, for doing business together, things like this. I hope you enjoy this video. Please, I put some links down for the courses I already joined. I'm already promoting now. And also check my website, haniamri.com, and my Facebook page. I put the links all down. And please give me a comment there if you want more information. I have a lot of to share with you. So it's good if you comment. I will reply for you directly. And don't forget to subscribe to see like this videos from a man with a lot of experience, with honest experience. Not a man, I'm not here to only making money. I'm here to give actual advice to people who needs help. It's so important this point. So go ahead, subscribe, and give me a comment, give me a like, and we'll see you very soon. Thank you.